What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I want to show you something. I made a discovery recently. I was kind of doing some research on side hustles and found there was an article about celebrities with side hustles, and just kind of fascinating. But you might know Nick Offerman. He is a comedian extraordinaire, libertarian, funny guy, just known for kind of playing that grumpy, straight guy. And, you know, he's on a lot of stuff. Rising star. He's also a whiskey drinker, which I really like. But what I found out is he loves working with wood. And he has a wood shop called the Offerman Woodshop, and you can go to their website. They have lots of stuff. It's not inexpensive, I will tell you that right now. And in fact, when I was perusing their site to buy something, I was surprised at how many things were not in my price range, but you can get some really beautiful stuff. However, I did find this, and this comes with this, looks like it's handwritten, but it's a pre-printed note here. But I did find this, and I thought it would make a decent little Christmas gift, so I picked it up, and you can see it comes in an envelope just like this. This is a true unboxing. I haven't even checked it out. But it's basically like a wood postcard, and I don't know, I won't call it balsa, but it's almost like ash. It's a really light wood, and it's about the size of a postcard. As you can see, it fits right in here. It's like a greeting card size. Nice rounded edges. You can see here how thick it is. It's like 4 millimeters thick potentially. And it's just got a nice grain to it, a nice color. And you can see here it's branded on the back, the Offerman Woodshop. Nothing else printed on it. And this, you could order this, and I want to say it was under $20 for it. And you can see here everything is kind of, I'll call it silk screened on. I think it's silk screened, and I think these red bits are hand painted. That's kind of what I'm thinking. They don't appear to be etched in there, so it's not laser. And you got a dude giving his gal a birdhouse. Little cam there. Made you your dream house, and she made him a spoon. Isn't that nice? Wouldn't you know it? The holidays are here. So that's why I got this, a little stocking stuffer for the holidays. I thought it was kind of cute. You can put it up if you have a country chic type of home. It's probably going to fit right in. And it's just something nice from a celebrity. Now, I'm sure he's partnered up with other people on this, but pretty cool. If you want like a side table or a real table or desk, I mean, they've got a lot of stuff, and it gets pretty pricey pretty quick. But if you want something just kind of cute and clever and whimsical, you can get this too. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description, as well as a link to some other really cool wood-based art and gifts. Check it out. Peter from Panda out.